Myself Pooja Bhand. Today's date is 27th April 2022. Today's video topic predefined and user-defined packages. A Java packages is a group of similar types of classes, interfaces and sub-packages. Package in Java can be categorized into two forms, that is built-in package and user-defined package. There are many built-in packages such as Java, Lang, AWT, JavaX, Swing, Net, IO, Util, SQL and etc. Here we will have the detailed learning of creating and using user-defined packages. Then what is the advantages of Java package? Java package is used to categorize the classes and interfaces so that they can be easily maintained. Java package provides access protection. Java packages removes naming collision. How to access packages from other package? There are three ways to access the package from outside the package. Import package dot class name, fully qualified name. Using package name, if you use package util, then all the classes and interfaces of this package will be accessible but not sub packages. The important keyword is used to make the classes and interfaces of another package accessible to the current package. Using package name dot class name, if you import package dot class name, then only declared class of this package will be accessible. Using fully qualified name, if you use fully qualified name, then only declared class of this package will be accessible. Now there is no need to import, but you need to need to use fully qualified name every time. When you are ascending the class or accessing the class or interface, it is generally used when two packages have same class name. Example, java.util and java.sql packages contain date class. If you import a package, all the classes and interface of the package will be imported, excluding the classes and the interfaces of sub-packages. Hence, you need to import the sub-packages as well as sub-package in Java. Package inside the package is called a sub-package. It should be created to categorize the package further. Let's take an example. Sun Microsystem has defined a package named Java that contains many classes like systems, string, reader, writer, socket and etc. These classes represent a particular group. Example, reader and writer classes are input and output. For input and output, under packages, there are known as predefined packages. Following is the list of predefined packages in Java. Java.lang, the package provides the language basics. Java.util, the package provides classes and interfaces, APIs related to the collection framework, events, data structure and other utilities classes such as date. Java.net, these packages provides classes and interfaces related to networking. Java.security, these packages provides classes and interfaces such as key generation, encryption and decryption, which belongs to security framework. Java.sql, these packages provides classes and interfaces for accessing or manipulating the Java. Java.time, the main API for date, times, instance and durations. Java.beans, the Java.beans package contains classes and interfaces related to Java Beans components. All these packages are available in the jar file in the bin folder of your JRE, that is Java Runtime environment. Just like normal packages, to use a particular class, you need to import its respective packages. The library is divided into packages and classes, meaning you can either import a single class along with its methods and attributes, or whole package that contains all the classes that belong to the specified package. And that's all about it. Thank you.